Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hotmax 23258 250 WFG replacement ground clamp and lead. Manufacturer, Hotmax. Part number, 23258. Item weight, 2.4 pounds. Product dimensions, 10 by 8 by 2 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number, 23258. Item package quantity, 1. Batteries required, no. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within US. International shipping, this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the US. Learn more. August 26, 2014. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.